Hello, my name is Adam with Green Shield Home Improvement. What we specialize in is really high quality composite decking. We're really excited to be out here this morning. We're going to be checking out some really cool innovative products. This deck is completely designed and built by Green Shield Home Improvement. The size and scope of this project is absolutely massive. It all starts really with the foundation. The foundation of your project is critical. You mess up the foundation and everything falls apart. So what we've got here is a really challenging terrain. So this is a very steep slope of about 45 degrees or so. Typically, the inspector would make us mix concrete in a wheelbarrow. Some of the other foundation solutions we've used are helical piers. Essentially, these other solutions are not possible. I cannot get equipment in here to drive a helical pier. I cannot mix concrete out here. Now we've got this brand new product called a Perma-Column. Perma-Columns are made in a factory, so they're absolutely perfect. Everyone's the same. We've got a 6x6 member going into this steel bracket. Now that steel bracket is hooked to rebar that goes all the way 4 feet down. Here in Michigan, what we have is a frost coat of about 42 inches. What's so great about these, they're 48 inches, which gives us the ability to come out of the ground. What we like to avoid is wood in the ground at all. It's just a chance for rot, mold, decay. What we've got here is a high quality way to raise your posts out of the ground and give you a permanent foundation solution. What's so cool is they also have a 4x4 option. We use it on staircases. We just choose to use 6x6 on the vast majority, but as a homeowner or another builder, you may find a lot of use in the 4x4 solution. And what's great is they have both, and we use and love them both. Made in a factory, engineered, it's ICC certified. We absolutely love the strength and quality of this product.